In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. If font size on your OPPO is too big or too small, don't worry, I got you. Changing it is actually quite simple and similar on all OPPO devices. Begin by opening Settings. Then tap on Display and Brightness. And finally, after scrolling down, select Font. Now operate this slider under font size to adjust it and Checkout Preview at the top. To save your changes, hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!